Hi, my name is Schae Lewis, and I am the owner of Mission to Organize. So, the weird thing that I organize is my dishwasher. However, I don't really find it that odd to organize it. So, I only got a dishwasher maybe 5 or 6 years ago for the very first time in my life. And when I got it, I was very excited to organize everything inside. But going over to other people's houses, I realized that not everybody does this. So I really think that it is a huge time saver to do this. Having all of the plates in one section, I can easily grab two at a time and put them away and stack them up really easily. My bowls all go in one section. When it's time to put away the forks, I just grab them all up from one cup and put them away. On the top, I have my Tupperware and my glassware and anything that is a little bit fragile. So hopefully you can find that maybe this would be a great time saver for you as well. And you can take that tip from this organizer.
I'm Mackenzie, on-site team manager at Mission to Organize, and the weird thing I love to organize is my knickknacks and collections by color. I found it's a really great way to organize small little tiny items that might make me feel cluttered in my home, but instead it creates peace with the color-coded system. I've done this with everything from old VHS tapes, little tchotchkes from trips. Recently, I even took some old ribbons from high school and paper mache'd them on the outside of some little book boxes for safekeeping.
Where are the candles? In the orange box. Must be on the orange shelf.
I'll even admit that I specifically choose a book for my bathroom that matches the decor so that it looks nice.
Hi, my name is Chloe. I'm a lead organizer with Mission to Organize, and a weird thing that I like to organize are my cat's things. For example, their clothes. I put them in this tiny little box here, and I sort them by occasion. So we've got our summertime up top, we've got some fall and winter, and then we have Halloween because that's their favorite holiday is Halloween. Also, that's not the only thing I like to organize. I also like to organize their cat toys in the cat tree. While some people might like to use a cat basket to hold their toys, I think it takes up a bit too much room in my apartment. So instead, I put my cat toys in the cat tree. Then when they're already playing on the tree, they can just pop down and grab whatever toy they want. I think it's really cute. I also organize their snacks, their wet food, their dry food, which has a list as well of what they do and do not like. You'll see that the do not like list is a lot longer than the like list. And then in here I have their harnesses and their collars for when they like to go play outside, which Ren absolutely loves doing.
I'm Lily, and as an organizer, I organize a lot of weird things. Specifically, I like to color code things, and something weird that I organize is the apps on my phone. I like to sort things by color because it's easier for me to remember. I'm a visual learner, so I remember the pictures of the apps, and on my first screen, I have blue apps, and then I've got green, my red and pink apps, and then my yellow and orange apps. And I just like to do this because it's easier for me to remember the pictures, and that's how I easily find the apps that I need.
Hi, I'm Clara, a support organizer at Mission to Organize, and the weird thing that I like to organize is my organizing products, of course. Specifically, my pouches. I keep them organized by size and type so that I can find them whenever I need them. I like to stay organized, but I also care a lot about sustainability and limiting single-use plastics. So having a pouch of any size at any time helps me a lot, and not using little plastic baggies when I want to take things on the go or keep things together like toiletries or my D&D dice.
Hi, I'm Melanie, and I'm a support organizer on Mission to Organize. And the weird thing that I organize is my shower. So in my shower, I have this nice built-in shelf, and with this, I organize all my products in the shower by the order in which I use them. So here we have, these are more weekly things, a scalp scrub, purple shampoo. Here I have my basic shampoo and conditioners. Then I have a hair mask, and then here I have some face washes, shaving products, and then finally my body scrub and wash. So some of the favorite products I've got for the shower is this suction cup holder, which is clear and also can drain easily. And I have a hook here that's also suction cup, and a hook here that gets things off of this and doesn't let it soak in the water.